Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Really excited to have you here on this training video. So, very quickly, I would like to show you, walk you through on exactly how you can create your own Facebook ads for your business. I mean, just a few weeks ago, last week, few of you of our VIP customers, some of you guys sent me a message, on how if I could shoot a training video on how you can start driving targeted traffic to your website, to your offers, straight from Facebook without really spending so much. So, as you can see right now, this traffic is directed to my blog, my health blog for my AdSense niche business. Okay, so as you can see, I'm paying about 1 cent per post engagement. Okay, and this asset, I've brought in over 240,000 visitors in less than 20 days, and I'm spending less than, it will really shock you right now, I'm spending less than $1 every day. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. I'm going to show you how to target tier 2 countries, tier 1 countries, and what you should do, especially if you're just looking at driving targeted traffic to your blog. Okay, so I would have, just for to encourage you and to inspire you, my traffic, this is what it has been able to bring in revenue for me in AdSense so far. You can see what I've been able to generate very quickly. So I'm just gonna go back to the main. Hey, what's up? Sorry about that. So I'm gonna go back to the main training of this video. Just before we go, I walk you through, creating your own Facebook ads, creating your own Facebook ad from scratch. I would love to show you a tool I have been using. It's so powerful. It's called Audience Insights. I encourage every marketers. I encourage every of my protege and some of my students. Most of them, I encourage you. Listen, if you want to set up your own Facebook ads, don't do it without making use of your Audience Insight. Now, what does Audience Insight do? Audience Insight gives you, a like a forecast of how your visitors, the visitors you're about to target, think and what they do. Okay, it gives you more information on your target audience. Now, in this case, I am driving traffic specifically to those who have cancer. My blog is a top a full blown cancer blog. We write content, we educate people on how they can get rid of, minimize cancer, what they need to be aware of, the diet plan, and all of that. So, what we do, just before, I want to use this niche as an example. So, here's what I'd advise you do. Just before you run your Facebook ads, you need to put in your interest. Now, in this case, my interest is cancer. I'm interested only in those who have cancer. So I'm going to put in any cancer, put in healthcare, Okay, so you can see our target audience is about 40 to 45 million people. And you look at the age, gender, the relationship status, you can see that over 18% are married who are affected with cancer. You can see the jobs, most of them work in health and medical. Yeah, okay, some of them work for the government. Some are all business owners, and work in the banking sector. So you can see the demographics. You can see the location. In this case, I'm targeting the US. So now, if you are driving traffic to your blog, for the sake of your blog, I would advise you stay away from top tier 1 countries. What I mean by top tier 1 countries is simple. US, Canada, Australia, UK. Stay away from these countries. Why? You end up paying a whole lot per post engagement. Now, here's what I do. Instead of targeting these countries directly, I target tier 2, tier 3 countries. Countries like India, Pakistan, Philippines. Very important. Dubai, Qatar. These countries give me pay low rates. Okay, I pay just so low, to advertise to these countries, and I run my traffic for at least 1 month to this audience. Then I switch back to the United States. Okay, so here's what is happening. Not only does it save me more money, okay, I also get super low cost per click when I target tier 1 countries. Why? Because Facebook has seen that I've been running my traffic for a long time now, and I have so much engagement, so much audience to my blog. So definitely they trust me well enough, to run traffic. So in this case, I'm going to put Philippines, and the age is starting from 22 to 60 years old, and voila, we're done. All you just need to do is save my audience, and there we go. Okay, so you guys can see it's as simple as ABC. When you go to your audience, let me come over again for those of you who do not understand what I'm saying. So you identify your interest. What are your audience? The audience you're targeting, what are they interested in? Pick their age range and they pick your country. Simple. Don't complicate anything. It's as simple as ABC. Running Facebook traffic, I tell people that, when you run Facebook traffic, don't try to overcomplicate the process. Okay, don't try by picking so much interest. No, pick a broad interest. If you are targeting diabetes, pick a broad topic on diabetes and focus on it. Okay, those who are interested in that topic definitely will check out your blog. If it is an affiliate related offer you want to target, make it broad. Okay, so that way you're able to attract people, audience, your own targeted audience. So very quickly, I'll walk you through creating your own Facebook ads. Now, listen, if I want to make this video complicated for you, I know what to do. I would have gone all around, and I make you feel like this is so difficult to do. But Facebook, creating Facebook ads, Facebook ad creation, it's a science. There is no gimmick about it. It's not ad as most gurus think it is. Okay, so you can see my engagements. You can see how much I'm paying per day. I'm not lying. So you can see $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1. You can see how much I'm paying. I'm paying probably $20, $10 to $15 every day to make to pull in that amount of money I'm making from AdSense. So just imagine I'm spending $10 to make $50 every day. Would you want that? Of course you do. So it's so easy. Facebook has been able to help me create a guaranteed monthly income for myself. Why? Because I know that when I drive traffic to my blog, I make money because people click on the ads on my blog. Okay, so let's try creating a campaign right now. So a campaign is just like the mother of ad set and ads. The job is to keep your ads organized. Okay, so we're going to create a campaign and we're going to give it a dummy text name, and we create different assets. We're going to create an ad set and we shoot our ads, as simple as it is. Okay, so in this case, we're going to just let us create a page engagement ad. We're going to create a page engagement ad. Now, for traffic, let me give you an instance. If you want to drive more traffic to your website, to your offer, or your affiliate offer, you can choose the traffic option. Engagement also serves the same function. And if you are promoting an e-commerce product, I would advise you use video views because people need to see exactly what they're buying from your e-commerce blog or site. Okay, so if you want to build a list, you can use the lead generation, but this is a bit complex. In our next video, in our upcoming trainings, I'm going to walk you through how you can build your own bias list leveraging Facebook easily. So it's going to be an in-depth training, but we are not covering that in this video. So very quickly, I'm going to click on the engagement type of ad, and Give it the tummy text name, VIP text, and continue. VIP text. So very quickly. Now, remember, we've created an audience, okay, in the Facebook Audience Manager. So we're going to look through our saved audience. Now, I've saved several people. You know, you can see I've saved, those interested in different topics, you know. So we're going to pick cancer awareness, those living in the Philippines, the audience I saved earlier on. And we're going to edit placements. Now, this is what I'll advise you. Now, Facebook feeds, in-stream videos, write column ads. I would advise you, if you're running an article, an ad to your article, you know, for an offer, I advise you click off this features. Why? Because you end up paying so much for a feature that is not converting well for you. Instagram, I really do not recommend Instagram, okay? Because it depends on the offer. If we're selling a product, for example, a female product, we might want to put it in the Instagram, but for this sake, we're just driving traffic to our offer, driving traffic to our blog. So we're going to click this away. And the inbox, sponsored messages, we're going to leave it, okay? Because we want people directed to our blog. So we're going to look at picking mobile devices. We want to target mobile devices because most of our audience, almost everyone nowadays go on mobile. So majority of those we are looking at targeting are mobile visitors, okay? So we are going to set our ad to $1 a day. And there you go. There you go. So let's try. This audience is not so specific, but I think for the sake of this video, we're going to leave it. Let's continue. So let's pick a page. I'm going to pick my page, Add the Living Beauty page. That's my health blog page. And for the sake of this video, we're going to pick from, we can choose to create an ad, okay? And we can choose to pick from the posts, selected post on our fan page. Okay, so we're going to pick a post, the several posts, okay? So we can pick on diarrhea. No, this is not needed, not compulsory. So as you can see, as simple as this added, we can choose to, pick any post from our Facebook fan page, and we can choose to also create a new page post. Okay, so here's a few things you need to know, especially when you're creating an ad on your Facebook fan page. You need to ensure that your headline is catchy enough. It contains the benefits and what users are going to read, and it encourages them to share your posts to their personal profile, okay? So that's just basically it, guys, and you're just gonna click on confirm. There you go. There you go. So you're confirming your ad, and in about 2 hours our ad will be live. So guys, there's no science behind creating on Facebook ads. This is how I've been able to generate approximately $1,000 to $2,000 in AdSense revenue. Okay, and you can do the same also. Okay, you can drive using this medium, this strategy I've told you about. You can drive traffic to your health blog, to your real estate blog. And if you need to drive traffic, okay, if you need more sophisticated, if you need help, in or consultation in creating a Facebook card, you can always send me a message to my email. I'll definitely reply you. You all know I reply my emails very quickly. So my next video, I'll be going in depth, okay? And the video I'm going to share with you also. We're going to go in depth into Facebook ads and into other topics. Bear it in mind, we are always, I'm always looking at, sharing different strategies with you, different topics with you that could bring in, different sources of income for yourself. Okay. I believe in multiple streams of income. Okay. That is why you see me teaching you different things. Today, you see me teaching you AdSense. Tomorrow, you see me teaching you Fiverr. Tomorrow, you see me teaching you how to create your own softwares. Tomorrow, I also teach you on affiliate marketing. So get ready for a whole lot of value, guys. Thank you so much for taking our time to watch this video. Very quickly, our ad is going to be approved. For those of you thinking, okay, we just need an hour for it to be approved. And for those of you who want to see some of my ad, let me show you what I've been doing. So this is an ad I started running about a few days ago. And you can see the ad at the moment, how it's converting. I'm directing traffic to my diabetes blog. You can see there are over 637 shares and 28 comments. 637 shares. So here's what I do, okay? So once I'm able to get this kind of shares to my post, I now change the audience of the audience I'm targeting for this Facebook ads to the people in the US, top tier 1 countries, okay? Now I will now create an opt-in post on my blog to catch their email address, because I need their email address to be able to push them related affiliate offers. So this is another way you can use to build a list very quickly. Let's say, for example, you want to educate people on how they can start an online marketing business, or or affiliate marketing. Here's what you could do. You could create a Facebook ad targeting these tier 2 countries, okay? And you don't have an opt-in on your blog, you're just pushing traffic for you invest like $100 for 1 week, and then you switch to tier 1 country, okay, to tier 1 country, to US, and you put an opt-in post on your blog, and you start building your list. I mean, very quickly, within 2 days, you can have 100 subscribers that you can push their related offers to. Okay, so that is so smart. I'm not telling you something that is it's sure. This is something that works, okay, and this is something we've tried out in our business, and I would encourage you guys, don't just watch this video and go back to bed. I mean, no matter how little what you put in, ensure you put in the work, ensure you get it to work. Okay, so I'm always looking at, working with you, looking forward to working with you, looking forward to serving you. And I believe that we are doing our best, and we know that you are going to get to that level you've always wanted for yourself, okay, for so long, okay? So thank you so much, guys, for taking out to watch my video. I hope you were inspired. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on via email. Also, guys, I would love to make an important announcement. I'll be sending an email also so that you guys can subscribe to our Facebook Facebook chat board, where we send you messages. Instead of always bugging your email, we could send you a Facebook post on affiliate recommendations. We could send you, offers, related offers. Very, very amazing, detailed trainings just like this. Okay, the plan is to ensure that you do not miss any of our messages, and I have lots of value for those who join who follow me on Facebook Messenger, okay, who subscribe to our messenger platform. More information will be shared, and you stand to gain a whole lot than those who will just be opening my email. So make our time, take out time to check my next email. I hope you were inspired and you learned a thing or two from this video. So I'm going to catch you up soon, okay? Cheers. Thank you for taking our time to watch this video.